Hello, I'm Francisco.
I'm Christopher.
I'm Jessica, and this is MapPlace.
It's happened to all of us that we don't know where to go or what place we would like to visit, whether it's the city we live in or one that we are visiting. That is why most times we go to places that don't identify the city or they aren't where we expected or where we wanted to visit. All these are very common questions, especially if you are civic-oriented. It would be a lot easier to make plans if I had all this information and I could take better advantage of my time. This happens all the time. This is why we thought at MapPlace, not only to help ourselves, but everyone who wishes to have these questions answered or even who wish to contribute with beneficial places for the network. MapPlace is an application that uses the geolocalization of smartphones that will recommend all kinds of places as long as it complies with our civic ideals. This is not a typical application that will show all the party places on a map or the typical lifeless restaurants. The MapPlace ideal comes from a place that has content and identity. This is why we will have a specific profile and we tell the style, concept and motivation of the people who visit each place, just as our users who will have their own DNA according to their tastes, options and styles. This will be essential in order to recommend places that will interest any user. Martin is a good example. He is at his apartment with his girlfriend wondering what to do on a Sunday morning, and like most young people, they are very attached to their phones. They found out about MapPlace and give it a chance by downloading it to their smartphone. Automatically, by entering the application, MapPlace opened places of interest for Martin close to him as a basic recommendation. There is also the option of looking by word and using the application filters. Martin was interested in a fair open close to his apartment, so he touches the icon and automatically the profile of the fair is shown, in this case Sunday Fair. In the profile, the basic information of the place are shown, like name, address, description, bike parking, and images. It also shows the DNA of the place, identifying its concept as well as the data of how many users have visited this month. This applies to all people, groups, and places of MapPlace. Martin selects the option How to get there, and the application shows the way to get to the selected place. When he got there, he parked his bike and began to go through the fair. Martin was delighted with the recommended place, therefore he opted to follow the group or place he saw. With this, he will obtain information regarding events or future data delivered that share a similar profile. He can also give a like to the place or group visited as well as add comments for other users. Martin wants his friends in Facebook and Twitter to also find out about this place, so he selects the option Share. But what happens with businesses, bands, artists and groups that want to inform activities on MapPlace? They will have a profile within the application where they can notify places, activities, follow people of interest and interact with them. Through the web platform mapplaceapp.com, they will be able to see motivation, statistics and user interaction in MapPlace.